How to add a single note widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. Now in here, scroll down, then open up Notes. After that, scroll down to the bottom. And here, there are three different single note widget size. You got a small one, medium size, and a larger size. So select a widget size and then drag it and drop it onto the home screen. Here, tap on the note widget and then select a note, and the widget will allow you to display a single note. This will allow you to quickly access that note whenever you need it to directly from the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.